If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially speed up the process. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to verify your connection speed and consider setting your router if necessary. Step 2. Adjust in-game voice chat settings. Go to the settings menu in GTA 5 and navigate to the voice chat options. Make sure that voice chat is enabled and that your microphone and speaker settings are correctly configured. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Check for updates for your sound card drivers through the manufacturer's website or use a driver update tool to ensure you have the latest version. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block voice chat functionality. Make sure that GTA 5 is allowed through your firewall and that your antivirus is not interfering with the game. Step 5. Restart the game on your device. If the above steps do not work, try restarting GTA 5 on your gaming device. This can help refresh the game and resolve any temporary glitches affecting voice chat. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and improve your voice chat experience in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or support for additional solutions.